Hello everyone. Question is you encountered an insufficient privilege error in the middle of a long transaction. The database administrator is informed and immediately grants the required privilege. Grant update on world.city to user 1. How can you proceed with your transaction with the least interruption? Option A, roll back the transaction and start the transaction again in the same session. Option B, re-execute the failed statement in your transaction. Option C, change the default database and re-execute the failed statement in your transaction. Option D, close the connection, reconnect and start the transaction again. Correct answer is option B. Question is examine these statements which execute successfully. Examine these statements issued by user John. What is the reason for the error? Option A, the statement was blocked by MySQL firewall. Option B, John has not activated the role. Option C, John needs to reconnect to the database. Option D, the DBA needs to execute flush privileges. Correct answer is option B. Question is binary log events for the MyDB1 schema must be copied to a different schema named MyDB2. Which command will do this? Please see the options. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is examine this MySQL shell command. Which two statements are true? Option A, it reconfigures InnoDB cluster if the cluster was stopped. Option B, it performs InnoDB cluster instances rolling restart. Option C, it only starts all InnoDB cluster instances. Option D, it is not mandatory that all instances are running and reachable before running the command. Option E, it stops and restarts all InnoDB cluster instances and initializes the metadata. Option F, it only stops and restarts all InnoDB cluster instances. Option G, it picks the minimum number of instances necessary to rebuild the quorum and reconfigures InnoDB cluster. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is which two statements are true about MySQL Server multi-source replication? Option A, it is not compatible with auto-positioning. Option B, it needs to be reinstanced after a crash to maintain consistency. Option C, it uses only time-based replication conflict resolution. Option D, it relies on relay log recovery for resilient operations. Option E, it does not attempt to detect or resolve replication conflicts. Option F, it must use GTID replication. Correct answer is option C and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.